Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain what is F&O ban because recently we are hearing NSE blocked means banned many top shares, futures and options. So in this video I will explain why it is happening, what we can do if it is banned and when the ban will be removed. These three things I like to explain. So first of all the details I provided in the description of this video. If you enable the description, first you can see a link here which will take you to angel broking account opening site. If you want to open a free demat and trading account, you can use this link. Simply with Aadhaar card and PAN you can open a free demat and trading account. Fine. So to understand why this future and option ban happens, we need to understand minimum three simple terms. First one is open interest, second one is free holding limit, third one is market wide position limit. So first I will explain what is open interest. It is a contract or positions open at a time in the market. That means it is all the outstanding buy and sell positions in the market, or much more simple way, it is all the future and option contract at a time. So I think you got it. At a time, how many contracts are active? That is open interest. If there are 10 contracts are active, open interest will be 10. Now I will explain about free floating holdings. It is the amount of shares of a company that can be publicly traded. So that means if a company have a share of 1 crore shares, in that 50% is holding by the promoters, then remaining 50% will be free floating holding. So I got it. I think you understand that one. So next term is market wide position limit. It is simple, 20% of free floating holding, that is 20% of share held by non-promoters. Okay, so I think you got these three times: open interest, free floating holding, market wide position limit. Now I will explain what is really happening, why NSE is banned futures and options. Because exchange will allow only up to 20% of free floating holding to trade in derivative market. This futures and options are purely derivative product. So market will allow only up to 20% of free floating holding to take a position. So when the stock market will implement ban is, the stock exchange impose a ban when the aggregate open interest of stock crosses 95% of market wide position limit. In simple way, if the number of open interest crosses 95% of market wide position limit, they will impose a ban to avoid a speculation. Otherwise, simply many people will buy lot of shares in futures and option, then entire market will lose the control. So during this period, traders are not permitted to open a new position. So if market imposes a ban, no one can take a new position. Only thing what they can do is they can square off whatever position they are already holding. If someone try to open a new position, they have to pay a penalty. It is equal to 1% of the increased volume. Increased position. Maximum limit up to 1 lakh rupees. One thing we need to notice, even market impose a ban, it will not going to affect intraday trading because there is no new position is coming. If new position is opening, the end of the day that position is squaring off, so there will not be no new position. So only it will ban for the future and option new position taking. Now I will explain how the ban will be removed. Okay, once the ban is implemented, once the market will only allow for the squaring of the current position. So people start to square off, and if the total open interest comes down to 80% of MWPL, then market will remove the ban. So then again people can start to trade. Okay, now I will explain how it will affect the investors. It is worth noting that when F&O ban is imposed on a stock, no new positions are taken. The stock price will continue to remain depressed until the ban is removed. So basically there will be a chance of price to come down. So if you are taking a position just before the ban, we may end up in loss. So if you would like to know which all stocks is going to ban, we can easily check all this data in NSE website itself. Here I am providing the link to the NSE website. If you click on this link, it will take you to the NSE website. There easily we can download the list. What all stock, this list will give you an idea, current open interest for each and every stock, and crossing the minimum limit. This Excel file give you, and if you download this file, we will get a clear idea tomorrow what all stock will be under ban. So if you are a newcomer to the share market, before making entry to futures and option, just check this list. So you will get a clear cut idea it will going to ban or not. Okay friends, I think you got basic idea about the future and options ban. If you have any comments, please comment on my comment line. I will try to respond back to you. And if you are a first time viewer of my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.